Coinbase is breaking the previous peak right now. Can we buy now? It just broke above the previous peak. What is next? When can we buy Coinbase? And I will follow also Nvda. It has been going up forever. What is the risk? Can we buy now? And also our favorite stock, Tesla, when it start to rebound. Welcome to ymchannel. This channel is about trading strategy and money mindset to help you to make more and learn more. And click like, subscribe, share with your friend if you like trading and if you want to make more money. Click like, subscribe, and share with your friend now. This is only for education purpose. So now we look at Coinbase. So basically, I use my own indicator called YM Club Bundle. So YM Club Fast is the red line. This one tells us the very, very fast movement of the stock. When they go upward, this line, the red line go upward. This is an upward trend for sure, but also tell us this is a strong trend because the stock is above the red line. Okay, the blue line is the YM Club Long. YM Club Long basically tell us the trend of the stock. When it is above and the blue line is going upward, this is an upward trend and we buy, we hold. Okay, so when it's going downward, we don't hold any stock. Okay, so now we go to see more stock. So YM trip entry to tell us where is the fund coming in. So you can tell very easily here and here, they have institution fund coming in. This is not just a normal investor. This is an institution fund. This is a big volume trade. Another one I want to check with you is YM Chip Plus. This one can also tell us the fund movement. So this is an institution total holding. So you can see from here, they move decreasing, but they still hold more than 50%, and then they go upward. When do we buy? Basically, if you use these two lines, it can tell you buy, sell point. If we use these two indicator, and this one also can tell us the fund movement. So it's very cool. The blue line tell us the trend. And when we combine with the red line, it tells us the buy, sell point. So basically right now, for example, the buy point, the first buy point is here. We have these chips come in. We go above the red, but what is going on is the YM chip plus is not strong enough. We're still going downward and we're still under this purple line. So basically we don't buy like when it's this situation because it's not strong enough. So we need to wait when the red bar go above the purple line. The red bar is institution. So basically you can choose to buy here and even here. When they go under and they go above, look, the red bar go above the purple line. How about YM big buy is also one of the very good indicator to tell you the net big volume trade. Is net buy or net sell? But this is including many investors, but for the big volume, okay? So for example, here, when they go above zero, this is strong trend. When it's green, this is buying. When it's red, this is selling. Okay, so you can see today, even today we are up 15%. Our green candle, it is still very strong. It's longer than the previous one. So this is a very strong trend. Another one I want to mention is you can see, so we have few methods to see this is a strong trend. You can also see from the gap area. The gap, you see, they jump up, jump up, jump up. The gap pattern, in my previous video, I always mention how to see the gap pattern. Do they come back to this gap area within 3 days? Do they come back down or they directly fly? Okay, for example, once they go above the blue line, they have a gap. This is a very strong signal, strong buy signal. So gap, both line up, they go above both line and they have a gap. So this is a strong signal, number one. So you can see what happened after the strong, they jump up. They jump up, they don't even touch this gap area. This is a support area, okay? So what is right now? So people ask me, oh, can we buy now because we break above the previous peak? Okay, one thing I want to give a bit alert is the yellow candle. What is yellow candle? Is overbought area, overbought area. When the yellow disappear, basically, when they close below the last yellow candle, you will have a pullback, just like this one, okay? So it happened to all the stock. So I will show you also in the next two stock, do we have yellow signal, okay? So 1, 2, 3, we have 3 candle basically within 8 trading days. This is a very strong upward trend. So I would see this as strong momentum to go up. Is it a good buying signal? So one thing I want to check with you. So some people like to buy with the When they break above the previous peak, people buy. I have no comment with this, but you need to check if it is a good movement. When it's in the strong upward trend, the best is to wait it come back to the pullback and then you buy again. Because this line, for example, this is a support line, basically. For the pullback, for any kind of pullback, is a support. You go back to the support. So even you need to cut loss, your loss is limited. Okay, so basically right now we have the yellow candle and we haven't closed the candle yet, and we need to wait for 3 days, usually 3 days, to see if we can stand above the previous peak strongly, okay, stably. And one thing I want to check with you is the previous peak here, right? So first we look at is very strong, and even they pull back, they can pull back here, pull back to the gap area, or they come up here, they pull back. Okay, so the first support would be the gap area, the upper part of the gap, and also the lower part of the gap. Okay, so we have the next is here. Okay, better to back to the blue again to be safe. Okay, otherwise they bet if it's very strong, they can back to this gap area or the red line, and then they go up again. It's also possible. So this is the update for Coinbase. We look at the institution. So far, we are so strong. We are now right now, we are 190. 190.4 the price. Okay, the next one I want to update with you is Nvda. Nvda is very fun, very strong trend stock. So we have a long yellow bars, which is a long overbought overbought signal. So the next one I want to check is weekly chart. Yes, we also have the same signal. How about the monthly chart? We also have the signal. So remember, when we have the signal for monthly chart, when they pull back, they don't pull back for a few days. They pull back minimum start from 2 months. Okay, so this is something you need to be alert. If you're a very long-term investor, you can use monthly chart as a reference. If you are middle term, you can use weekly. Okay, and if you are swing trader, you can use daily. When they finish the yellow candle, they don't have more yellow. You can also use RSI when it's over 50. You can use the same RSI. The RSI is similar. Okay, so when they come back down, you need to be careful of the risk. Okay, so but suppose you're not supposed right now to buy it. You need to wait for the pullback. Even pull back a little bit, they can still have the yellow candle, just like here. Okay, so you need to wait the pullback and buy again. So let's say YM Club long, YM Club fast. You see what happened is they both lines going upward. Blue going upward. So this is an upward trend, yes. But look at the pattern of the red line. So we are above the red and we under the red. You see, when they do sideways, basically they go under the red. So if you have this indicator, you buy when they go above the red, you sell when they go under the red. This is a very short-term investor. Very short-term investor. You buy when they go above, you sell to avoid the risk. Okay, so right now we are under the red. So although we are still in the strong upward trend, but we are not that strong. We are in the upward trend, yes, but we are not that strong. We are still okay. We are okay. Okay, it's not incredibly strong. So if you have this indicator, when they go above, you buy. When they go under, you sell. That is so easy. Okay, so far we are right now 738. So let's look at other indicator. YM big buy. Actually, when they go under the red, you see the refresh the red bar here. Refresh the red bar here, and the red bar is not small. It's quite a big one basically. Although they down 0.17%, but the red bar size is not really small. Okay, so something you need to be alert. But so far we are quite healthy on this stock. Is you can check the institution holding is still very strong, full of the red bar here. The next one I want to check with you is Tesla. Tesla has been a textbook material for me. I use it many times. So what is going on now? The blue line going downward. The red line is doing upward. Okay, what is interesting is yesterday, one big candle, 6% go above both lines. So this is a strong candle. This is a very good candle because we also have RSI, we have oversold signal. If we check basically, if we check our OBOS, I told you before, when the OBOS, when the purple finish, the purple is oversold signal. When the purple finish, when they go above the purple candle, when they close above the purple candle, and it's a confirm we buy. Okay, so for example, this one. Okay, when the yellow finish, we look at the when the purple finish, we look at the last purple. We put a higher price. Do we have any candle go above? No, but it is no more oversold signal. Okay, but it just never go above, so we don't touch. Boom, they start again the purple. So this line move. The next day it doesn't go above, and also it fresh a purple signal. And this one, no, it doesn't close above, and it fresh again the purple signal. So we use the last purple highest price. Okay, so we buy here. You see, we buy here, and then boom, 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 come up. Did we touch the cut loss price? We use the purple lowest price for the cut loss. So basically, we did not touch, and we go up. Okay, and many times I mentioned Tesla right now is quite possible we are building the base right now. In my previous video about Tesla, so I analyzed Tesla for daily, for weekly, for monthly, for the volume pattern. Okay, for example, here we have a volume pattern like down, 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 like lower, 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 and the volume is higher, higher. This is one of the bottom pattern. Okay, of course, this one we need to cut loss. We need to set the cut loss price. And for the weekly chart, do we have something similar? We don't have, we have something similar actually. Down, 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 and the volume is high, low, high. So this is also one of the bottom pattern, this three. Okay, then we use the lowest price of the last candle for the stop loss, and basically we're still above this area. Okay, and how about monthly chart? Monthly chart would be here, down, down, down. So go lower, lower, lower. And then you see the volume up, 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 higher, higher, higher. So this is one of the pattern of the bottom pattern. So if you want to learn more, click my subscription link below so you can join my course and or join the subscription for this bundle. It's very easy for you to use and you make profit right away. Another thing I want to check with you is the pattern of Tesla. It has been quite safe to buy here. I mentioned one video before when the purple finished, disappear, and they go above the purple. Basically, it's our buy point, okay? But of course, this is quite frustrating because we have one big candle for 12% down. But this one, this one down 12% because that time the Elon Musk came to say something, and then the financial report is not doing well. So boom. But remember, when we look at the big volume, I want you to have a mindset that when there's a selling, there's a buying, right? If there's no buyer, you cannot sell the things. So basically, when you have a big volume, it means a lot of people selling, and also some people are buying. Okay, so who is the one who buy here? If you have no indicator, then basically you don't know. But if you have my indicator, for example, here, check. Who is buying? Look at this green bar. Boom, go up. Institution is buying here. Institution is buying here. Okay, so this is quite very helpful indicator to tell you, hey, so individual selling and big organization is buying. Okay, and in my previous video, I also mentioned this is building a bottom here. One thing I want to check with you is, even you don't have my indicator, something you can check very easily is the pattern. So, for example, let me enlarge this one, and then I hide this too, and hide this. Okay, what's going on is if you check this one, You see the pattern here? Wait. Yeah, better here. You see here? So basically we are in the downward trend and we are touching the bottom here. So it's very safe point for you to buy here, 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 right? If you understand the bottom price. Okay, so you can see funding coming in. How about weekly chart? Do we have funding coming in? Yes, we do. But not like big, it's not big like this one. Okay, but we still have funding coming in. And yes, it looked like we are building a very beautiful base pattern. Okay, but monthly chart, no. Monthly chart is super long-term investor. They basically buying, I think it's very beginner investor. Like not beginner, so very beginning stage investor. Look, they're buying around 14, 13. This is, wow. This, if you have this indicator, you can just buy together with them. You see? It's so easy to buy, just follow the monthly chart. Okay, but remember when we buy, we need to buy the company have the value. Okay, like future, they have the not future for contract, but they have the company will have a great future and they are number one in the industry. So and they have the edge and also the how they handle the competition. Is it easy to come in the industry or not? So Tesla, I would say, is one of my favorite company for the for this industry. I would say they are number one. When they reduce the price, all other company they suffer. Okay, so this is my number. That's why I always cover here. But also the chat pattern is so interesting. Every time it's just like a textbook material for me. So right now we go on with OBOS, right? When they go above buy. And we can see also YM cheapest. Also, the red is going above. When we look at this too, basically it's so strong. When they touch the bottom and the red going upward. So this is our buy signal. Look at here. The red is go above the purple and the red is going turn upward for the YM Club Fast. So this is the update for Tesla, Nvidia, also Coinbase. If you like this kind of video, click like and subscribe and share with your friend. Give me some support. And if you would like to subscribe to this indicator bundle, you can click the link below or join my course. You can unsubscribe anytime. So just one thing you need to be alert is like some stock, they are really in the overbought area. So something you need to be careful. Okay. Of course, you can, if you don't have any indicator, if you don't have any strategy, don't buy when it is a very high price because it's really, really difficult for you to handle. Some stock can down 10% very easily. So if you have this indicator, you just buy and sell with even one single indicator, you can make crazy money also. But of course, I want you to learn more because more you learn, more you earn. I hope you like this video and see you next time. Bye.